Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. We recently got this office chair, the IKEA Flintan office chair. So I thought I'd share with you how to set up this office chair, and then after that, what is my reviews and thoughts. So after unboxing, we have here the backrest, the seat, the legs, the caster wheels, and there are 5 caster wheels. So now we're going to assemble the chair starting with the bottom, the leg and the wheels. And for someone close to 6 feet tall and have very long legs, you can easily adjust the height. My feet are slightly floating above the ground, and at the minimum height, the lowest height, is still at a good height for me to sit and do my work. And then with the backrest, I have very good support. Back support, I can comfortably recline my chair, and I actually have a lot of support at the back, not just on the lower back but also at the upper back to my shoulder. So that's my take on this IKEA Flintan office chair. You can use my referral link in the description below to order on Shopee, and when you buy this IKEA office chair, you get a new chair, and then on top of that, your purchase in a small way helps to support this channel. And before we end today, if you find value from today's tutorial, hit the like button below and subscribe to this channel to stay tuned for more videos like this in home and living, real estate, finance and investing.